Here we have the Dreame D9 Max unboxing and review. This is a robotic vacuum and mop in which we will demonstrate its features and give our thoughts.
Dreame D9 Max Robot Vacuum and Mop User Manual and the Quick Start Guide. That is the mop part of the vacuum. Nothing else in there. UK figure 8 mains lead for the charging dock. This is the Hoover itself. That's looking at it from the top. See, it's got the power and home button, the navigation unit to navigate its way around, so it'll have its sensors looking through all of this part. Or tear off before use. Tear off before use. Guessing that's the bumper part. Same for the other side. So looking at it from underneath, see there we've got some charging points. Also there the rotating brush for the Hoover part where it picks up, and the little flaps. Guessing that part there is where we'll attach the spinning sweeping brush to get into corners and under things. We've also got contacts there and there for the mop part. So I'd have guessed the mop should just clip on, he says. So it clicks on firmly there. It's also got a little wheel there to spin as it's mopping around. We've got that jockey wheel there to spin around. Left in the box we've got spinning brush to attach to the Hoover and the charging dock itself. Figure 8 mains input there for the mains lead. We've got those two charging contacts for the underneath the Hoover. Got the sweeping brush here just to attach, and it should just click on like so. So next thing, we'll get it charged up. Cool.
The robot can be controlled via the Xiaomi Home app. On the first run, the 360 laser maps the new environment to build a map. The robot can be viewed in real time on the app with progress stats. This is where invisible walls or barriers can be made to control where the robot goes or doesn't go. Here you can see the suction power can be altered using the app. This comes in 4 different modes. The robot can be remotely controlled via the app to launch, pause and return to the charging dock. You can target specific areas to vacuum or mop using the zone feature within the mapped areas as shown here. We extensively trialled the robot on hard floors such as wooden tiles. We found the vacuum to be very effective on these surfaces. After each cleaning operation, the robot will automatically return to the dock to charge. We also trialled the robot on softer surfaces such as carpets, as you can see here. We also found this to be extremely effective. To remove the 570mm dust box, you simply lift the lid and release the box. To empty the dustbin, you apply pressure to where the arrows indicate and proceed to empty. The filter can be removed from the dustbin and cleaned or replaced when required. Under the lid, a special tool is included to clear any hair or debris from the roller or rotating brush. A small brush on the opposite end of the tool for clearing the robot. The vacuum roller is also detachable for cleaning or future replacement if and when required. After using the Dreame D9 Max over the past few weeks, we found that it turned out to be very good value for money. This is in comparison to Rooma and other competitors we've used previously. It performed great on hard floors and carpet, which also surprised us of how much it collected each time, even after hoovering prior to using it. The app was very convenient and easy to use, and the room mapping was highly accurate. We found the invisible barriers to be very useful and easy to use. The only negative we found was the mop feature didn't prove to be great, as it didn't output much water.